Now if you want to animate this result, go to plot control, select animate, deform shape and click on OK. So this way we have successfully animated our results. So hello guys and welcome back to our channel Simple Random Knowledge. So guys, in last video we have seen how to perform modal analysis of a cantilever beam. If you have not watched that video, then I will post a link of that video in our description as well as in I button. In today's video we are going to see how to perform modal analysis of a simply supported beam. We have the value of modulus of elasticity and value of density given in the question. So guys, before moving towards our video, there are around 80% of people who are watching this video but they haven't subscribed to my channel. So I genuinely request to all you guys that please do subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon near it. So without wasting any more time, let's start with today's video. So guys, this is the user interface of ANSYS APDL software. So first step, go to files and select option clear and start new and select here do not read file and then click on OK. So ANSYS APDL will ask your permission whether you want to execute this command. So click on yes. So using this command, ANSYS APDL clears all your previous project data and provides you new fresh window. So we start with our experiment. First we set our preference as structural and click on OK. Now as we know, in any experiment we have some pre-processors, solution and general post-processing steps. So same user interface you will get in this ANSYS APDL software. So first we set our pre-processors, select here element type, click on add element. Now select here add again. Now this experiment we are performing on beam, so select here beam to node 188, click on OK. Now close this window. Now we define material properties, select here material models, select structural, linear, elastic, isotropic. Now in the question we have the value of modulus of elasticity which is 206800 and you can assume the value of PR as 0.27. Click on OK. So in the question we have the value of density of material. So select your density and the value is 7830. Click on OK. Now close this window and move towards section. Select your beam, common section. Breadth of the beam is 0.01 and height of beam is 0.01. Click on OK. So close this section and select modeling. Select create key points in active CS. Now the key point number 1 is on origin. So keep this block as empty. Click on apply. Now second key point is on 1 meter. So write here key point number 2 and location as 1, 0, 0. Click on OK. So this way we have defined our two key points. Now we are going to connect these two key points using line. So select your line, select lines again. Now select option in active coordinates. Select key point number 1 and key point number 2. Click on OK. Now minimize this modeling and move towards meshing. Select size control, manual size. Select lines again. Select the option all lines. Now we are going to divide this line in 50 divisions. So select here 50, click on OK. So now we are going to mesh these 50 divisions together. So minimize this line, select mesh, select lines again. Now at the bottom of this pop-up you will get the option pick all. So guys, this way we have successfully meshed our beam. Now minimize this meshing and move towards loads. Select analysis type as new analysis. Now as we know we have performing this experiment as model analysis. So select a model, click on OK. So after clicking on model, one more option we get is analysis options. Now the number of modes to extract, select here 5 and number of modes to expand as 5. Click on OK. Now in this pop-up, keep this all things as default and click on OK. Now go to define loads, select apply, structural, displacement. On key points, select key point number 1 and key point number 2. Click on OK. Now as this beam is simply supported, so we are going to restrict UX and UY degree of freedom. Click on OK. Now minimize the structural and loads. So this way we have completed with our preprocessors. Now go to solution, select here solve, current ls, click on OK.
A few moments later.
So we have got our prompt that our solution is done. Click on close, close this window again. Now we move towards our general post-processing steps. Select option result summary. So from this value you can verify the extracted modes against the theoretical predictions that you have performed. You can copy these results and you can paste in Notepad if you require. and close this window. Now we are going to see how to get the mode shape. So for getting a mode shape of our first set, so select your option, read result, select first set, so go to plot control, select deform shape, deform plus undeform result, click on OK. So this way we have got our mode shape for our set number 1. So in a similar manner you can get the mode shape for our set number 2. So again go to this option, select next set, select plot result again, deform shape, deform plus undeform result, click on OK. So we have got the mode shape for our set number 2. For getting our mode shape for set number 3, again go to this option, select next set, select plot result, select deform shape, deform plus undeform result, click on OK. So this is our mode shape for set number 3. Again go to this option, select next set, plot result, deform shape, deform plus undeform result, click on OK. So this is our mode shape for our set number 4. Now if you want to save the image of this result, instead of clicking the screenshot, you can go to plot control, select here hard copy to file, select file format as JPG or PNG, whichever you prefer, and you can rename this file and then click on OK. So this file image will be saved in your folder which you have selected as a directory while starting this ANSYS Epidural software. Now if you want to animate this result, go to plot control, select animate, deform shape, deform plus undeform result, and click on OK. So this way we have successfully animated our results and we have completed with our experiment. I hope that you have liked this video. Please hit that subscribe button and press the bell icon near it. And if you have not watched my playlist on FEA experiments, then I will post a link of that playlist in our description as well as in I button. So until our next experiment, stay safe and happy learning. Thank you.